At the southernmost tip of South America lies Cape Horn, a windswept rocky outpost battered by the elements and shrouded in legend. This remote headland stands as a sentinel at the edge of the continent, where land gives way to the endless expanse of ocean. Here, the mighty Atlantic and Pacific Oceans collide in a dramatic, never-ending battle. Their meeting is not a gentle mingling, but a powerful clash of currents, tides, and waves that has shaped the fate of sailors for centuries. At nearly 56 degrees south, civilization fades away, replaced by nature's raw, untamed power. The air is thick with salt and the roar of the wind, a constant reminder of how small we are in the face of such vastness. This is the legendary end of the world, a place so remote and formidable that sailors once believed they'd reached the very edge of the map. For centuries, it was a graveyard for ships, a test of courage and endurance. Beyond Cape Horn, only the icy, unforgiving Southern Ocean stretches onward, leading to the frozen wilderness of Antarctica. Few have ventured further, and even fewer have returned unchanged. The landscape here is stark and dramatic, battered by relentless winds and towering waves, a monument to the planet's might and the indomitable spirit of those who dare to face it. The Atlantic and Pacific don't blend gently, they clash with force, each ocean bringing its own unique history, temperature, and energy to this wild frontier. The waters here have traveled thousands of miles, carrying the heat of the tropics and the chill of the poles. They converge in a spectacle of foam and fury, creating some of the most treacherous seas on Earth. Cape Horn is a living reminder that our world is in constant, awe-inspiring motion, a place where the forces of nature are on full display, and the power of the planet can truly be felt. The Atlantic and Pacific Oceans are like siblings with distinct personalities, each shaped by millions of years of geological drama and natural forces. Though they both stretch across vast distances, their stories and characteristics are remarkably different, making them two of the most fascinating bodies of water on Earth. The Atlantic, younger and narrower, was born from the breakup of Pangaea. Its formation created a dynamic ocean known for its warm, salty currents like the powerful Gulf Stream, which acts as a conveyor belt, transporting heat from the tropics to northern Europe. The Atlantic's relatively confined shape means its waters are more influenced by surrounding continents, making it a hub for trade, exploration, and cultural exchange throughout history. The Pacific, ancient and vast, is the world's largest and deepest ocean, covering more area than all the land masses combined. It is home to the mysterious Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, and is dotted with thousands of islands, from volcanic archipelagos to coral atolls. Its immense size gives it a sense of timelessness and mystery. The Atlantic's smaller enclosed basin makes it saltier and denser, while the Pacific's vastness and connections to both the Arctic and Antarctic keep its waters colder and fresher. These differences are not just scientific curiosities. They affect everything from marine life to global weather patterns. These differences shape their currents. The Atlantics are fast, energetic, and looping, driving weather systems and shaping coastlines, while the Pacifics are broad, slow, and steady, influencing climate across continents and nurturing vast marine ecosystems. The Atlantic's warmth and saltiness contrast sharply with the Pacific's chill and freshness, creating unique habitats for countless species and influencing the cultures of people who live along their shores. When these two giants meet at Cape Horn, their unique properties create a dramatic, visible clash. Here, powerful currents and swirling water masses collide, making it one of the most treacherous and awe-inspiring places on the planet. It's not just water meeting water, it's two worlds colliding, each bringing its own history, energy, and secrets to the encounter. This is why the end of the world is so spectacular. A place where the forces of nature are on full display, and the meeting of oceans becomes a breathtaking spectacle. The Drake Passage, a 600-mile-wide channel south of Cape Horn, is the battleground where the Atlantic and Pacific collide. Here, the eastward Antarctic circumpolar current slams into the westward Pacific, creating chaos. With no land to block the winds, gales roar across open ocean, whipping up monstrous waves. The furious 50s and screaming 60s winds can exceed 100 miles per hour, making these seas legendary among sailors. Waves reach 40 feet or more, and rogue waves are a constant threat. Beneath the surface, cold, dense Antarctic water mixes with warmer currents, creating powerful eddies and whirlpools. The Drake Passage is a place of relentless, raw energy, where the ocean's clash is both surface spectacle and deep turmoil. Sailors crossing the Drake Passage often see a visible seam, a line where the Atlantic and Pacific resist mixing. This boundary is caused by differences in salinity and temperature. The saltier, denser Atlantic water sinks below the fresher Pacific. The result is a halocline and thermocline, layers that keep the waters apart, at least temporarily. The clash creates a dynamic, shifting frontier, sometimes visible as a change in color or a line of foam. But this line is always moving, shaped by winds, tides, and currents. Eventually, the relentless turbulence of the Drake Passage forces the waters to blend. The visible seam is a fleeting reminder of the powerful forces shaping our oceans. For centuries, Cape Horn was the ultimate test for sailors, a place of dread and legend. Before the Panama Canal, ships had to brave these deadly waters to trade between oceans. Over 800 ships and thousands of lives were lost to storms, freezing temperatures, and rogue waves. Rounding the Horn was a badge of honor, a rite of passage marked by ice, gales, and constant peril. Those who survived earned the right to wear a gold earring, the mark of a true Cape Horner. Even today, the Drake Passage remains a monument to the courage and endurance of those who faced its fury. The clash at Cape Horn is more than a spectacle, it's a vital engine for Earth's climate. Here, at the southernmost tip of South America, the world's most powerful oceans collide, creating a turbulent zone that shapes weather patterns far beyond its horizon. The mixing here drives the global ocean conveyor belt, a vast underwater current that distributes heat and nutrients around the world. This invisible force connects distant continents, influencing everything from rainfall in the Amazon to the temperature of European winters. This circulation keeps climates stable and vast regions habitable. Without it, many coastal cities and fertile lands would face harsher conditions, threatening food security and the livelihoods of millions. But climate change threatens this delicate balance. Melting ice is pouring fresh water into the oceans, diluting salinity and disrupting currents that have flowed for millennia. The consequences could ripple across the globe. A slowdown of the conveyor belt could trigger extreme weather, disrupt ecosystems, and accelerate sea level rise. Coastal communities may face more frequent flooding, while marine life struggles to adapt to rapidly changing conditions. Scientists are watching with concern, knowing the stakes are global. Their research is crucial for understanding how these changes will unfold and for finding ways to protect our planet's future. Cape Horn's epic meeting of oceans is both a symbol of Earth's power and a warning of its fragility. It reminds us that even the mightiest forces are vulnerable to human impact. The future of this clash, and our climate, depends on how we respond to a warming world. Our choices today will shape the fate of the oceans, and in turn, the future of life on Earth.